Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my Valentine's coffee bar and home decor with you. I asked you guys in a poll recently what you wanted to see, and the majority of you requested I combine a home tour and coffee bar.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So come on in and let's get started. Also, I would love to know if you decorate or if you have any special traditions with your family or friends that you do on Valentine's Day. It's always fun to see what other people do on holidays, and sometimes we get ideas for fun things to do in our own homes and our own lives. So let us know in the comments if you have any favorite Valentine's decor or traditions that you do with your family. This year, I got this idea to use lighted birch trees in my decor. They are so perfect for winter decor, and the lights are so extra and so cozy and inviting, and just make those long, dark winter evenings so much more fun and inviting. And I'll leave the links for everything down below, as well as the links for the previous year's Valentine's decor that I've done in coffee bars, in case you're interested in that. If you're really into Valentine's decor, I went all out in previous years, and it was so fun and so cute, and you're gonna want to check that out. I've done Valentine's trees and all of that, but this year I kept it a bit simpler out here. I didn't go too crazy with Valentine's decor. I actually made it a little bit more wintry with the birch tree and the reindeer, and then just added in some reds and pinks to give it a bit more of like a Valentine's feel. You probably recognize this sign from Dollar Tree. Over here on the buffet, I've got this apothecary jar filled with white and silver ornaments from Walmart. It just felt very wintry, and I've also got a red candle here, which I've had for a while. It's actually a peppermint fragrance left from Christmas time, but I'm just facing that part towards the back so that I can have a red candle here for Valentine's Day. And in the center, I picked up some healthier snacks while I was at Target. These Boom Chicka Pop popcorn bags have a cute Valentine's theme on them, and this has just been a treat for my kids this month. The peppermints are left from Christmas, but before I throw them away, I figured I'd keep them around a little bit longer until Valentine's Day for when guests come over. And on the mirror here, these are just window cling-ons, which you can use on the mirror the same way as the ones I used in the entryway. You might have noticed those, and I actually used the rest of the pack of them on the bathroom vanity mirror as well. So this was so cute. I really liked the effect of just using the little window clings on the mirrors around our house. Really fun. If you saw my bathroom decor through the seasons video, you've probably already gotten a peek at my bathroom decor for Valentine's Day, although I did mix it up a little bit since that video. I'll leave a link for that video down below in the description box as well, because there were tons of spring and summer decor options in there for bathrooms as well. So be sure to check that out. I also wanted to point out this vase to you guys. The cool thing with this is that this vase here closest to us has real roses, and the other vase has Dollar Tree roses, and I can't believe how similar they look and how realistic the Dollar Tree ones look when you cut the stems and put them in a vase of water like the real ones. In the kitchen, the only thing I did for Valentine's Day was really the coffee bar area. So let me show you that. Now, I kind of tend to spread things out on here because I have the space on this counter, so it's kind of fun to do, and it makes it really easy for people to find things, although I realize it can also feel a bit cluttered at times. So what do you do? I would love to know in the comments. Let me know. Do you like to keep things like coffee, tea, cocoa, coffee cups on the counter? Or how do you like to organize them? Do you have like a space in cabinets or drawers set aside for that? How do you organize your like coffee or tea station in your home? I have 60% dark cocoa chocolate chips here, some mini marshmallows that were left from Christmas last month, but they were still fresh, so I kept them anyway. And then for Valentine's candy, I didn't do as much this year as I did last year, but these lava cake Hershey's Kisses, I don't think I've seen them before, and they look like something new and fun to try, so I did add a bag of them. If you've tried them, let me know what you think. With the pink wrappers on them, I thought it would be fun to add some little pink curlies over here. I got these in Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. They might have actually been part of the Christmas decor, I can't remember. But sometimes red and pink like Christmas decorations are perfect for incorporating into your Valentine's decor, especially if you're doing a Valentine's tree for sure. The tray is from Target Dollar Spot, and rather than use it as a tray, I'm standing it up like this so you can read it, and it also helps hide the electrical outlet behind it. The sign was also from Target Dollar Spot. I had a hard time not buying all the cute hot cocoa bar themed items that they had in there. They were so adorable, you guys. And everything was priced like $1, $3, or $5, and so affordable. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know. It really does mean a lot to me and helps me plan my content. Over here, I decided to replace the jar of instant coffee that I've been using to make coffee on the stovetop lately by just putting the coffee into a glass jar that can seal. This is from Dollar Tree and it's pretty airtight as best I can tell. So everything stays fresh. I'm really happy with how it looks since I use this pretty much every day. I had some biscuits that my mom made recently. I wanted to put these out, so I actually just removed the Luna snack bars that we had out here and put the biscuits out instead. At the moment, I think the biscuits and Luna bars are all gone anyway, so I actually decided to take away the cake stand and just leave it empty here, although I do have the jar of biscotti, which are individually wrapped, which is perfect because I don't eat these very often, but they are really convenient for guests to be able to help themselves to one if they're looking for a quick snack. In the living room, I have the wreath I made a couple years ago hanging on the mirror here. I'll leave the link for that down below as well, although please forgive the fact that this was one of my first videos. On this little table, I have some peonies, and I had little red like glitter heart picks in there, but Kylie took them all out to play with them. I have no idea where they ended up. I know at least one of them broke, so I'm not sure what happened to the rest, but the pink flowers are still a pretty good fit with my blush pink pillows in here anyway. And I'm gonna put my new chair cover on over here. This chair was so stained and could really use some reupholstering right now, but that is not going to be happening at this time. So the chair cover was the best option, and the bonus is it can be taken off and washed. So I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. I love the fact that I could just help freshen up this space and this chair without actually having to go through the whole process at this time to reupholster it, and just put on a chair cover to keep it clean and fresh. Over here, I use these window clings that I got last year on clearance. They look so cute on the window and so fun for the kids. And then on the mantle, I got two more lighted birch trees, and I love the fact that these are battery operated. I definitely made sure when I was shopping for these to find one that was battery operated because I wanted it to come with a timer setting so they'll go on every day in the evening and then turn themselves off again, so I don't have to worry about like going in there to turn them on, up on the mantle, or remembering to go back in the room and shut them off, or wearing out the batteries, anything like that. So this has just been so perfect. I feel like these are a great wintertime decor that could certainly be used at Christmas time, but I think I'll just be saving them to incorporate them not only really as Valentine's decor, but really just like a wintertime after Christmas time decor. I also sprayed this wooden love sign from Dollar Tree with a spray Mod Podge. I had some left from a project I did a couple of years ago, but you could use any Mod Podge like painted on there, or adhesive spray, anything that's going to dry clear, or use any color paint that's going to match your glitter. So I just sprinkled on a layer of gold glitter, but let's say you wanted this pink and you had some pink paint you could do, and then sprinkle on pink glitter. That would look so cute and so nice as well. But I just sprinkled a layer of gold glitter on here and then sprayed the top. Again, I had this left over from that same project that I did a while back, but you could do this just covering it in Mod Podge glue from Dollar Tree as well. I think they have little bottles of it there. And I made a little piece of art by cutting out this gift bag that says "Be My Valentine" and placing it inside of an 8x10 frame from Dollar Tree. I think this made a super cute piece of art for $2, and the frame can be reused seasonally. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Valentine's home decor and coffee bar. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all soon in the next one. Bye!